Hi, this is a short video looking at our contact forms. We can create them up in the top right cog in forms, and this is our top one. We've got our two different forms. Our contact forms come back into one long list. They're not connected to any customer, pet or appointments. And our check-in forms underneath, these are connected to appointments. So we can click to create a form, or we can click on a form that's already created. We can update the name. We can select which brand we would like to use, whether or not we would like a header or a footer. The header is where our brand color and our logo would appear, and the footer is where any of your social media links that you've included in salon info would appear. We've got a couple of fields already created here, so we can click in and we can edit any of them. We can mark any mandatory that we want, or we can click to the plus to add any additional information fields. So we've got a text, a date and time, a large text box, a checkbox and the signature. Much in the same way, we can drag and drop these wherever we would like them to be as the checking-in forms. We can preview these forms, so you can see that you can click save. We can update all of these. None of these have got little asterisks, and none of these are mandatory yet, so we could mark that the name is mandatory and save that. We could hit save, and then when we come back in, when we hit preview, we should now have all our branding. You can see there's an asterisk marking that this one is now mandatory. And we've got our links at the bottom as well, and our logo. So we can hit save at the bottom to update that. Where we can use contact forms, these are best in a website, so you can have the option to toggle it on in your Savvy template website. You can have the link where you can embed that into an email or any contact or social media that you want to gather data from customers for this very simple form, because it's only going to come back into one long list. If you have your own website, you can give this code to your website creator and they can pop a button or the form into your website for you. All of the contact forms come back into one long list. So in here we can view them, we can process them, we can delete them. So that's a quick look at our contact forms.